On occasion, you may need to field install a Vision Lite kit on a Special-Lite FRP door. Here, we'll show you how to make the cutout. Before we begin, let's review a few important notes. First, it's important to understand the infrastructure of a Special-Lite door. You see here the aluminum casing as well as typical examples of a closer reinforcement and lock reinforcement. To avoid cutting in this material, you must leave ample room accommodating the door stiles and rails as well as the reinforcements. Safe margins include 7 inches at the top of the door and 6 inches on each side. It is our recommendation that you do not remove more than 50% of the available area when making your cutout. Greater than this could compromise the structural integrity of the door. The procedure illustrated in this video shows the door lying flat on sawhorses. You may also perform this procedure while the door is still installed. In either case, we recommend that you make the cut from the high bevel or exterior side of the door. The right gear will ensure your safety during this procedure. You will be cutting through 2 layers of fiberglass reinforced face sheets and about 1.5 inches of polyurethane foam. In addition to marking and measuring tools, you will need a drill and a 5/16 inch bit, a good jigsaw, and high-quality jigsaw blades. Pay a little more for the blades and you will save yourself some grief on this project. A vacuum is also handy for dust control and cleanup. If you make an unrecoverable error, we can replicate the door provided you give us one piece of information. We need the door production number or P number. This 6-digit number can be found in an etching in the hinge style as well as a label on the lock style. On the label, the P number is the first 6 digits as shown here. The etching is located near the top of the hinge style on the low bevel edge, and the P number is once more the first 6 digits. Carefully calculate and mark your cutout area. If you provide us the door information and tell us your desired cutout, we will verify that such a cutout is possible for the door and give you exact dimensions for your marks and cutout. Find and mark the 4 corners. You may want to start at the top edge and find and mark the bottom edge from these marks. With all 4 corners identified, draw your connecting lines. Once all your lines are drawn, drill a 5/16 inch hole in each corner slightly inside the lines. Try to keep the drill as vertically straight as possible. Start your jigsaw in one of the holes and connect to an adjacent hole. Repeat until finished.